Ever wondered if using buy now, pay later services like Zip Pay impacts your credit score? It's a question many people have, especially with the growing popularity of these flexible payment options. You see the ads, the promises of easy installments, and it's tempting. But lurking in the back of your mind is that nagging thought, what's the catch? Will this affect my credit? Well, today we're diving deep into that very question. Does Zip Pay perform a credit check? And more importantly, how does using Zip Pay, or any buy now, pay later service for that matter, actually affect your financial health? We're going to break down the process, explain the different types of credit checks, and give you the information you need to make informed decisions about your spending. Before we jump into Zip Pay specifically, let's talk about credit checks in general. There are two main types you'll encounter: soft inquiries and hard inquiries. Think of a soft inquiry like a casual glance at your credit report. It might happen when you pre-qualify for a loan, or when a company checks your credit for marketing purposes. These soft inquiries don't impact your credit score. You might not even know they've happened. A hard inquiry, on the other hand, is a more formal review of your credit history. This usually happens when you apply for credit, like a credit card, a loan, or yes, even a buy now, pay later service. Hard inquiries can have a small, temporary impact on your credit score. It's like a potential lender saying, "Hey, I'm seriously considering lending this person money. Let's take a closer look at their financial situation." Now, back to Zip Pay. The million-dollar question: does Zip Pay perform a credit check? The short answer is yes, but it's not always a hard credit check. Zip Pay typically performs a credit check to assess your creditworthiness. This may involve a soft credit check, particularly during the initial stages of account setup or for smaller purchase amounts. This initial check allows them to determine if you're eligible for their service without impacting your credit score. They need to verify your identity and assess your ability to repay the installments. However, for larger purchases or if they need more information, Zip Pay may conduct a hard credit check. This is more likely to happen if you're applying for a larger spending limit or making a significant purchase. They want to get a comprehensive picture of your credit history to determine the risk involved in lending you money. So, how can you tell which type of credit check Zip Pay is performing? Unfortunately, they don't explicitly state which type of check they will conduct in every instance. However, the best practice is to assume that a credit check of some sort, potentially a hard inquiry for larger amounts, will be performed. It's always a good idea to be aware of this when using any buy now, pay later service. Now, let's talk about the impact on your credit score. A single hard inquiry might only cause a small dip in your score, and it usually recovers within a few months, especially with responsible financial behavior. However, multiple hard inquiries in a short period of time can raise red flags for lenders. It can suggest that you're actively seeking credit, which might make you appear riskier. The real danger with buy now, pay later services isn't necessarily the credit check itself, but rather the potential for missed payments. If you fail to make your Zip Pay installments on time, they may report this to credit bureaus. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score, much more so than a single hard inquiry. This can make it harder to get approved for loans, mortgages, or even rent an apartment in the future. Think of it this way: using buy now, pay later services responsibly is like walking a tightrope. If you manage your payments carefully and avoid overspending, you'll be fine. But if you slip and miss payments, you risk falling and damaging your credit score. So, what's the takeaway here? Firstly, understand that Zip Pay, like most buy now, pay later services, does perform credit checks. While it may start with a soft inquiry, a hard inquiry is possible, especially for larger purchases. Secondly, and more importantly, be diligent with your repayments. Set reminders, budget carefully, and make sure you can comfortably afford the installments. Missing payments is the biggest risk to your credit score. Finally, consider whether buy now, pay later services are truly necessary. Sometimes, saving up for a purchase might be a better option in the long run. It helps you avoid accumulating debt and protects your credit score. Remember, these services are designed to make spending easier, but they can also make it easier to overspend. It's crucial to use them responsibly and be fully aware of the potential consequences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.